Hi, I'm Justin Crooks, a senior engineer at Signal Hound. Here we're demonstrating our SM435B. This is our new flagship spectrum analyzer. It sweeps from 100 kHz to 43.5 GHz. Similar to the SM200B, it has a terahertz per second sweep speed, fantastic dynamic range, and a pre-selector from 20 MHz to 43.5 GHz. Here we set up a demo with a horn antenna and a little automatic door opener I got from Amazon for $29. Basically just a cheap radar generator. And this is our zero span mode, which is actually pretty useful for analyzing radar pulses. Here you can see amplitude versus time. The pulses are approximately 500 microseconds apart. And if you want to zoom in and see exactly what's happening inside that pulse, the waterfall display shows high resolution time of the spectrum. So here we can watch as the pulse starts, and we go into the pulse, and then in the middle of it, you can see it's fairly spectrally pure in the middle, but then as the pulse turns off, again, you get a lot of extra energy out of band. In fact, this transmitter's off frequency is supposed to be 24 gigahertz, but it's operating at 23.9. The Spike software also has standard sweep mode, as well as real-time mode, where you can see basically any event that happens inside the 160 megahertz span that lasts longer than 24.5 microseconds is guaranteed to be displayed full amplitude. Spike also has a lot of additional features. If we can come over to the BB60D, Spike has a lot of additional features, including our latest and greatest, which is LTE Tools for doing cell station downlink analysis. The LTE Tools feature can get a lot of information like the duplex mode, the bandwidth, and most people use it for cell scanning. You can configure to scan whatever LTE bands are in your area that you need to monitor signal strength or other parameters or other metrics of the signal. Over the years, we've listened to our customers about the BB60C and the improvements they wanted. Our customers wanted more dynamic range, they wanted a pre-selector, and they wanted the lowest possible residual spurious signals that we could get them. The BB60D now has 10 dB more dynamic range than the BB60C. It has a pre-selector from 130 megahertz to 6 gigahertz, and the residuals are now spec'd at minus 120 dBm, and typically they're below minus 130 dBm. Basically too low to ever notice. The BB60D, the SM435B, and Spike's new LTE Tools are Signal Hound's latest developments in our mission to bring our customers the unrivaled value they've come to expect. Visit signalhound.com for more information.